Hello, good morning, guys. So, we are going to do the reading about what are you going to achieve today. We will check with the tarot cards what are your current energies. This is my self made oracle cards, and these are the Rider Waite tarot deck. So, we will check. I have shuffled all these cards, and we will know what are your current energies, what are you going to achieve today. So, we will pull out this card. It says Dear. Then we have Broken Heart card. Then we have a Marriage card. I have not colored it yet. Then we have a Motherhood card. So these are all four beautiful cards. It says, first of all, you are afraid, you are tired, maybe your heart is broken, but on the other hand, you are you're going to achieve something good. You are going to create some good bond with someone, and you are going to nourish yourself as well as others. We will pull some other cards as well. This is called risk. You're risking something. Something is on stake, and you want to achieve something good. You are putting in effort. You have a lot in your mind going on, and you are trying your best to achieve your goals, your ambitions, but there are some hurdles as well. So what are you going to do? You are going to just believe in yourself, just keep putting on effort and keep striving for what you want, and do not give up, because whatever you are risking, whatever you want to achieve, whatever the obstacles are, you will finally be able to reach your goal. You will finally be able to satisfy your heart. Your desires will be fulfilled. So you have to just believe in yourself. No matter how heartbroken, how tearful you are, you're going to nourish yourself. You're going to provide for yourself as well as others. So now we are going to pull out some tarot cards. Okay, we will pull out this card. This says Five of Wands. Five of Wands show some inner struggles. Actually, we will pull it here and put our cards here. Five of Wands. Then we have High Priestess card. High Priestess card also shows you are struggling inside. You are trying to calm yourself down inside. So you have inner conflicts, but you are also reflecting on those conflicts inside. Then we have Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups shows you are trying your best to find out new ways to emotionally fulfill yourself. You are trying your best to find ways to resolve your inner conflicts. You are trying your best to emotionally satisfy yourself, and to be peace with yourself. You are trying your best to find a balance between your mind and your soul, between your heart and your body. So that's how you find peace. That's how you find inner calmness. You think about your issues, you think new ways to resolve those issues, and you have trust in yourself. We will pull out some other cards as well. You have Ace of Swords card. So what does Ace of Swords card shows? Ace of Swords shows that um, you are trying new ways to think about solutions. You are trying to clarify your mind. You are clear in your thoughts, in your head, and you want to communicate what you want to achieve. You want to tell people that you think this and you want this, and this is your problem, this is what you want, and finally you will be able to find solution to your problems. Then you have devil card. Devil card shows your desires, lust, and what you really want in your life. So devil shows that you may be too much attached to your desires. You want peace, you want clarity, but sometimes are troubled in your thoughts. Sometimes you think that you might not be able to find problems, to find solution to your problems. So devil shows your inner conflicts as well as your conditioning to your problems. And then you have a magician card. So magician card shows that you are going to find solution to your problems magically. Like that you have problems, you know that you are having inner conflicts, but the point is, you know you will be able to solve those problems, you will be able to resolve those issues. You know that you have inner conflicts, but you know that there are definitely solutions to your problems. You know that there will be emotional peace, there will be gratitude, there will be love, there will be communication. You know that you may be sometimes thinking just too much about your problems, but anyways there are always solutions to those problems, by heart to heart communication, by mind to mind communication, by listening to your inner self, and sometimes by just resting, by just doing nothing, just thinking about um, how you will be able to resolve your issues. And sometimes you put in effort to achieve everything that you want. Sometimes you put a lot of effort, you do whatever you want to do, but you do not want to lose hope no matter how much obstacles you have in your way. You keep on putting effort. So what is the moral of all of this? You have problems, you have conflicts, but you will be able to nourish yourself, you will be able to find solution to your problems, you will be able to trust yourself. And no matter how many desires you have, how many conflicts you have, inner conflicts, outer conflicts, you will be able to emotionally satisfy yourself, have a good emotional bond with yourself as well as others, and you will be able to overcome your risk through communication, through bonding, and by trusting yourself. So trust the process, and keep striving for your goals, keep loving yourself. You're doing great. And have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please subscribe the channel, and goodbye for today. Thank you.